Hello, children. I'm going to the jungle today. Let's go. So here I am in the jungle. Okay, I'm waiting for my friend, the monkey. There he is. So, Monkey and I are going to tell you the story when he met his friend, Minnie the mouse. One day, there was a mom and her daughter, Minnie the mouse. Hello, Mom. Hello, Minnie. I need you to go to the market. I need you to buy some milk, meat, and mushrooms. Okay, Mom, but can I buy some marshmallows too? Yes, you can. Thank you. Bye, Minnie. Bye, Mom. So Minnie went to the market. At the market, she met up with her friend Mike the monkey. He was jumping all around. Suddenly, he fell off to the ground and he was crying. But Minnie had an idea. Let's go to my house. Look, Mom, who I ran into at the market. Hello, Mike. You can stay for dinner. After the dinner, they ate all the marshmallows. The end. Okay, did you like the story? Yes, me too. Let's remember now, which are the characters of the story? Yes, we have Mom, Minnie the mouse, and Monkey. Okay, can you tell me what did she buy at the market? Yes, she bought milk, meat, mushrooms, and marshmallows. Okay, can you guess what is the initial sound that we are going to learn now? Yes, we are going to learn the sound mmm. Remember, put your lips together and say mmm, as in mmm, marshmallows. Okay, bye-bye and have a nice day.